So I've been reading, I get these questions about, how do you clean your popcorn machine? I'm seeing people like, you got your popcorn machine here, after you get done using it, seems pretty difficult. What would you do? Sink it in the water, basically paper towel and water. And then if you want to clean the glass, I usually use glass cleaner. It makes it, the glass nice and clean. And this particular popcorn machine is a rust-free stainless steel. So, you can't go wrong with using water, soap water, and washcloth, whatever. It's pretty easy and simple. You think it'd be pretty hard, but it's actually real easy. I'll show you real quick. Now, whatever you do not submerge your kettle in water. And you got this electrical outlet on the side, the heater's inside. Do not submerge it in water. And it does say on there, warning, do not immerse in water. So basically you just wipe it off, wipe it out, get the oil, the old kernels, and the salt out of it. That's about all you do, and then it's clean. You want to clean that out for sure. And there you have it. It's nice and clean. The next use, just by simply wiping it down, taking some time, probably about 20 minutes tops, honestly. So there you have it. That's it. Some water, paper towels, a little bit of Windex to clean the glass on the popcorn machine, and it's pretty clean inside and out. It's all it takes. You think it'd be really messy with the oil, butter, all that stuff, and salt. It's not really all too bad. It's just really simple, and along with the stainless steel and everything being glass on this popcorn machine, it's definitely very easy to upkeep, clean, and it doesn't deteriorate over time. I'll provide links. I also have another video up that I'll do that'll show you how to make the popcorn in this popcorn machine, and also show you the links with where I got this popcorn machine, which I got it on Amazon. It's very, very nice. It's professional. If you want that theater popcorn, just click on my links, subscribe. I got more videos. I'll show you the products that I use that you get that theater popcorn taste, and where you got the machine, all the products at. Please subscribe. Thanks.